Jump, jump. Hi. Oh, you want a water trampoline? Whoa. Jump, jump, jump. There's Dina with Daddy. That's pretty fast. Really, really fast. Here's Daddy. Oh, really? Ooh, it's so fast. Where did your legs go? Huh? You only have 1 foot. Or maybe 2. Oh, 2 feet. Can you wiggle, wiggle? Wiggle out? Did the sand eat you up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. There they are.
Don't do that.
Yeah, they're gone again. What do you have? X marks the spot? Is there some special buried treasure here? Hopefully I find some money. Oh, just dirty, dirty sand and some legs.
Take this thing off.
Yeah? Yeah? Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the All Toy Collector channel with Wyatt, Dino, and Toby. And today we're going to do our very first scavenger hunt. I haven't done a scavenger hunt since I was a little kid, so this is going to be really fun. Yeah? A really, really long time ago with my older sisters, and wow, you have a lot of stuff in your hair now. So we have some clues I wrote down on paper. We're going to read them, and then we are going to find some really awesome big surprises at the end. So the first one says, people are always feeding me junk. So what's that?
Garbage disposal.
A garbage disposal. What else? What else is getting fed junk? A garbage can? Yep, Toby's right. Go find it. Go, go, go. Oh, wait. Okay, sweet.
I put food on a
Okay, so next clue.
Paper, scissors.
Yeah, paper, scissors, and then a blank.
What does that mean? Rock.
Yep, find a rock.
Open and close and entry.
So this one says, I slide open and close at entry. Oh, wow, they got it really fast. The next one says, close wet and dry, hang on the...
Grow big and tall and sway in the breeze. Is that a tree?
Yeah, look at a tree. Okay, there's only like one big and tall tree here. So here's one coconut tree. Is it there? There's a coconut. Oh, wait, I think Wyatt found it. Oh boy. Whoa! Wow, we got lots of surprises at the coconut tree. So, yeah, you have, what is that? Hot Wheels blind bags. Wyatt, what do you have? Like a blind bag. And then we have more toys. Oh, Melissa and Doug Pizza Kitchen. And, oh, a kitchen set. Whoa, whoa, let's see Toby's car. Wow, that's really cool. Let's see. That is awesome. Number 8. Cool. And Dino, why don't you open up your surprise from the scavenger hunt? And Wyatt, go ahead. A weapon. Okay, well, let's see what Wyatt gets. Here, what does Dino get? Woo! Whoa! This one has flames. Yeah, it kind of looks like a wave. Yeah, that one's really cool. There you go, Wyatt.
Whoa, you got a pilot.
A pirate?
Oh, really? Oh, no. I think we got.
Whoa. Oh, that's a big sword. Let's see. Wyatt's going to put it together. Looks like Wyatt got this really cool guy with a sword. Maybe Arabian? Whoa, that looks really cool. And this pizza party set looks really neat. It includes 54 toppings, which is awesome. And then this play kitchen has a mixer, a coffee maker, and a blender. And I guess they have lights and sounds. Well, I think we'll save these toys for Max and baby Eli. They're both napping right now, so they'll have to play with these later. Well, all Toy Collector fans, it was a lot of fun doing the scavenger hunt. And if you want more scavenger hunts, please like this video and subscribe. I think it'd be fun to do one at the beach. What do you guys think? Yeah, at the beach. That'd be cool. So please like this video and also write down in the comment section if you've ever actually done a scavenger hunt. This was their first one.
And write down in the comment section if we could do one at the beach.
Yeah, write down in the comment section if we can do one at the beach. Goodbye and have a great day.
Hey, but it's Max. And we're going to play Pretend Play Kitchen. Cool. And Eli's playing too. Yippee! I can open it. This comes with a mixer, a coffee maker, and a blender. There's 3 things and 3 kids. Looks like Max likes that. I'll make a strawberry and grape smoothie. Oh no! Hey, it didn't mix. Eli likes the orange. You want orange flavored coffee? I'll get it for you. I don't know if this would be good for babies. Hey, wait a minute, it worked. Here you go, baby Eli. It's right there when you want it. Hey, that's not yours. Here, can you get it up? Oh, he actually likes it. I want that. Whoa, I'll make you some. I'll make you a cracker strawberry one. Actually works. Here you go, baby Eli. Then you. We'll make some pancakes when I eat the chocolate. It's good. Pretty soft. This toy's really cool. You could even use it with this toy ice cream truck. What would you like to order, Eli? A milk strawberry smoothie. Oh, coming right up. instead. And second thought, I think I'll have it. How about we make some chocolate cake?
Well, all Toy Collector fans, I rate this set a 4 out of 5. It's really cool, and I like that it came with 3 different appliances. It is a little bit cheaply made. I wish it was a little bit more sturdy. The plastic's kind of flimsy, I guess you could say. But my kids really like this toy, especially Eli and Max. It's a perfect toy for young kids, that's for sure. All Toy Collector fans, I was wondering, do you help your parents cook in the kitchen? Sometimes my kids do. They like to, at least, especially when I'm making cookies, then all of them come running. Well, please remember to like this video and subscribe. Goodbye and have a great day.